What do you see in this picture? Yes, you are right. We can see a binary image consisting of pixels that can have one of exactly two colors, black or white. These are also called a bi-level or two-level images. This means that each pixel is stored as a single bit, either a 0 or a 1. If this was a grayscale image, each pixel will be having values in the range of 0 to 255, in which 0 means black and 255 means white. Since each pixel represents an intensity level, we can replace that with an ASCII character, and this is called ASCII art. ASCII art was invented years ago in large part because early printers often lacked graphics ability and thus characters were used in place of graphic marks. Probably no one's using this today. Now let's come back to our image and replace each pixel with an ASCII character of corresponding intensity, and we will get this. Now let's convert a video file into ASCII art. Let's import Cv2 and NumPy. Now we need a class, define a constructor to it which is accepting a path string and a reval number. Store that path in self.path, create an empty frame list. We need a list of ASCII characters in descending order of their pixel density. Store that reval in self.resizeFactor, define a method loadImage, create a Cv2 matrix from the path, resize it with the resizeFactor variable, convert it to grayscale and returns it. Define a method image to ASCII with the arcs and quarks. If there are any arguments, store that first one as image. Otherwise, load an image from the path with the loadImage function. Take the row and col value of the image from the shape tuple, iterate through that image, get the pixel, get the corresponding ASCII equivalent, store that in a frame, and print and return that frame. Define a function video ASCII, create a video object from the path, iterate through that frames of the video, resize and desaturate it, get the ASCII form of each frame and append that to the frame list. Open an output.txt file, write that frame list into it using pickles which needs to be imported. Now we need a new runner file. Import time, OS, pickle and image to ASCII class. Create an object of image to ASCII with a path to a video file and a resize factor of 10. Let's convert that video into ASCII. Define a read function, open that pickle file, get the list, iterate through it, print it, sleep for 0.02 seconds and clear the console. Call that read function, clear the console again, create a new object with the image path and a resize factor of 2, convert that to ASCII and done. Now let's open up the console, run the runner file. It's making that pickle file right now. Now it's running from that pickle file. Yeah, now it's showing that final image. You can change the console color for better experiences. Thank you and bye-bye.